Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to AsanaX. In this video, we will learn about Vakrasana step by step. Before we start, avoid this pose if you have recent spinal surgery, severe back pain or slipped disc, recent hip or knee injury, pregnancy, unless advised by a qualified yoga instructor. Move gently and never force the twist. Step 1. Sit in Dandasana with both legs stretched forward. Keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Step 2. Bend your right knee. Place your right foot beside the left knee. Keep your left leg straight. Step 3. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale as you twist your torso to right. Place your right hand behind you for support. Place your left hand on the outside of the right knee or hold the right ankle. Step 4. Turn your head and look over your right shoulder. Keep your spine tall. Breathe normally and hold the pose for 10 to 20 seconds. Step 5. Inhale and return to the center. Relax. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Avoid these common mistakes: rounding the back, twisting only the neck instead of a spine, holding the breath, forcing the twist, lifting the sitting bones off the floor. Improve spinal flexibility and posture, strengthens the back and core muscles, support healthy digestion and help relieve constipation, stimulate the liver and pancreas, supporting overall digestive system. Support healthy blood sugar management when combined with a healthy lifestyle and medical care. Help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Note: yoga supports overall health but does not replace medical treatment. So that's how you practice Vakrasana correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. In next video, we will learn about Tadasana. If you want to learn Surya Namaskar, then please visit here. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.